to stand in the corner and hold up the light when the path ahead is as dark as the night. I am your witness, I see who you are, a shining sun and a distant star, a conscious presence, a steady hand, walking with you through the shifting sand. We need a witness to know we are here, to validate the joy and to validate the fear. It's a holy service, a duty of the soul, to keep the human story under control. I am your witness, I see who you are. I see you, one love. Whoa, yeah. When you look in the glass and you only see gray, I'll be the one to wash the shadows away. I won't see the failure or the things you regret. I see the goal that the world hasn't met. It's a deliberate vision, a benevolent eye, finding the truth beneath every lie. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. Oh, one vibration. Oh, vulnerability is the bridge to the heart, the courage to show every broken down part. I listen to the mess, I'll edit the pain until your own spirit feels steady again. Benevolence is the frequency we choose, the only way that we never can lose. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. Oh, one vibration. Oh, Just be yourself if yourself is in chains. Break through the ego and the emotional rain. Share the anxiety, the doubt and the fear. That is the moment when heaven is near. In this roots rhythm we finally find the peace and the power of a benevolent mind. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. Love is the mirror. Jaga. Silence is a canvas and words are the paint. I listen to the sinner and I listen to the saint. It's not just being quiet while you speak your mind. It's searching for the treasures that you need to find. Friendship is an echo, a resonance of love, a gift from the earth and a gift from above. Master the skill of the listening ear until all the shadows start to disappear. Is an echo, a resonance of love. beautiful that no eye can see, constructed in the silence and the honesty. It's not a natural forest, it's a garden we plant, with the seeds of our truth and the prayers we chant. If the walls are shaky and the foundation is thin, we open the windows and let the light in. I am the architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal, to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. One vibration. When your mind is a city in the middle of a war, I'll be the peace you've been looking for. I listen to the whispers that you're scared to speak, and offer my strength when your spirit is weak. Benevolence is the blueprint, kindness is the stone. In this architecture, you are never alone. I am the architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal, to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. One vibration. Don't just be yourself if you're hiding behind the mask. Being truly honest is a holy task. Share the anxiety, the cracks and the dust. That's the only way to build the towers of trust. In this roots rhythm, the ego must fall, to build a world that is open to all. I am the architect of the love we share, building a sanctuary with conscious care. It's a master skill, it's a long-term goal, to design a home for a brother's soul. One heart, one vibration. One vibration. Master the architecture. Love is the plan. Jah guide the builders. Na 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 na. Yeah. Na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Ra-da-da-da-da-na. Oh, in a world that is quick to judge and to blame, we often get lost in the shadows of shame. But a brother don't look with a critical eye. He sees the truth beneath every lie. It's a conscious movement, a choice of the soul, to help a broken spirit become whole. Send out a benevolent vibration, healing one soul. When you fail and you think you've lost your way, I remind you of the light in the middle of the day. I let it the chaos inside of your head and speak words of life that were left unsaid. Vulnerability is the bridge we must cross to find the gold inside of the lost. Send out a benevolent vibration, healing the wounds of every nation. Friendship is an art that we must master, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Don't just be natural, be intentional and kind. Leave the ego and the pride behind. In this roots rhythm, we learn to be free. In the reflection of you and me, send out a benevolent vibration. Friendship is an art that we must master, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. Practice the love, master the skill, Jah provide the peace. Tower, minute by minute and hour by hour. Foundation laid in the soil of truth, from the wisdom of age to the fire of youth. The architecture of trust is a holy sight. say it's a gift, but without the work, the hearts will drift. It's a master skill that we must acquire to keep the flame of the spirit on fire. Master the love, master the care, like a sacred breath in the morning air. It's a conscious walk, a deliberate road, sharing the weight of the heavy load. Study the silence, study the word, hear the things that are seldom heard. Practice the art of being a friend from the beginning until the end. Master the love, master the care. Oh, na na, oh, la la. Morning dust on my feet, red clay on my hands. I feel the ground breathing under the mango stands. Drum talk through the yard, slow steps in the rain. Every small thing moving, calling out my name. I've been listening low to the river and the reed. Something old is rising, teaching me what I need. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm true. Hold me in the river, I'm coming back to you. See the smoke in the air, footprints by the door. Old words in the evening, ringing like before. I let the worry scatter like birds from the cave. When the night gets heavy, I breathe out your name. I've been listening low to the river and the reed. Something old is rising, teaching me what I need. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm nothing but the heartbeat and the wide open eye. My feet remember, hope my mind forgets. Peace don't rush the doorway, it arrives, it sits. Hold me in the river, carry me through fire. Hold me in the river, lift my song higher. Hold me in the river, take me where I'm true. Hold me in the river, I'm coming back to you. Your thoughts are a tangle, a mess of a vine. You can't see the logic or the master design. But sit with a friend and let the words flow, and watch how the clarity starts to grow. We're in the editing room, sorting the gold, leaving the stories that have already been told, clarifying the vision, clearing the mind, leaving the static and the chaos behind. You're not the mess that you think you have made. You're just a person who's a little afraid. Let's rewrite the script, let's fix the scene, and find the person that you've always been. We're in the editing room, sorting the gold. They tell you be yourself and the world will be fine, but a true soul connection takes more than a line. It's an architecture built with care and with grace, creating a sanctuary, a hallowed space where your darkest of secrets don't need to be hidden, and no honest thought is ever forbidden. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, a song to be sung. Friendship is governed by a higher law. Benevolence is the lens through which we must see the struggles you face to finally be free. I edit your chaos, I listen to your pain, like the sun coming out through the tropical rain. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, a song to be sung, keeping the spirit forever young. Share every fear. The frequency of trust is all that we hear. It's not an accident, it's a choice that we make to give more to the world than we ever could take in this roots vibration. Let the ego just fall. One love, one heart, answering the call. We're building the heart, block by block, stone by stone, with a friend by your side. You are never alone. It's a craft to be learned, the song to be sung, keeping the spirit forever young. Master the skill. Love is the root. Master the skill. space to be filled with the words of a brother whose spirit is chilled. We walk through the valley of ego and pride, but your friend is the person who walks by your side. Not just for the laughter, not just for the sun, but for the moments when you feel you're the only one. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration, one heart, one vibration. Bring me your shadows, your failures and shame. I won't look for the person that you used to blame. I'll give you a version of you that is bright when your own inner vision has lost all the light. Vulnerability is the strength of the soul. It's the only medicine that can make us whole. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration, one heart, one vibration. Don't be a stranger in your own house of clay. Let the light of a friend wash the sorrow away. We're editing the story, we're changing the script. From the chains of the lonely, our spirits are stripped. In this dove vibration, we finally see that loving each other is what sets us free. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration, one heart, one vibration. Hear the silence, master the art of this soul. One love, one love. Whoa, na 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 na. Building a bridge where there used to be a wall. Standing together so we never have to fall. It's not an accident, it's a blueprint we draw. Friendship is the highest form of the law. I am building a sanctuary, a place for you to house of love. You are never alone. I am building a sanctuary, a place for you to be. Like a single seed in a desert of stone. We need the forest, we need the tribe to keep the spirit and the love alive. Rooted in wisdom, growing in grace, moving together steady pace. Friendship is the foundation, the ancient key to unlock the spirit and set us free. With the roots of the humanity, master the skill of the open heart, and watch how the darkness begins to depart. Rooted in wisdom, growing in grace. The world is shaking and the towers start to lean. Nothing is ever quite as simple as it seems. But when you're drifting on a broken piece of wood, I'll be the land where the righteous have stood. be a solid ground, your foundation and your rock, the steady rhythm that can never stop, rooted in the truth, anchored in the soul, helping the broken parts to become whole. Share your anxiety, give me your fear. The frequency of friendship is all that we hear. No shifting sand and no rising tide. With a true brother, there's nowhere to hide. I'll be a solid ground, your foundation and your rock. When the world looks at you and only sees the wrong, I'll be the one to hear your hidden song. I see the gold underneath the dirt and the dust. In a benevolent vision, we place our trust. Look through the eye of kindness, see the light within. Beyond the failure and beyond the sin, it's a conscious choice, a frequency we find.